It's starting! Rubble, dig a trench so the lava will flow away from here into that canyon.
One trench coming up.
We're almost there. We just have to get across that rock ridge.
Oh no! How are we gonna get across?
Rocky, Zuma, take the fallen trees and pile them up across the gap so the dinosaurs can cross safely. Great work, pups. Now let's move these dinos across.
Rubble, we have to get out of here. The trench is ready. Let's go. Did it work? See for yourself. Yes, we did it. It's nice and quiet again. He's saying thanks.
Roar! You're welcome.
That's why this is an ultimate construction rescue.
We're on. You can count on us.
I'll need an expert in building to lead the team. Rubble and his ultimate construction vehicle. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Oh no! Gordy's supposed to land here, but there isn't enough room for the landing pad.
It's too narrow. If we can't go wide, we can go up. What are we gonna build, Rubble? Just trust me and follow my directions. First, we need to take apart the old landing pad. Zuma, drill post holes over here. Ryder and Chase, let's get the poles into those holes. I see Gordy's spaceship. We've got to speed it up. Captain Gordy's counting on us.
Rubble! This is the coolest landing pad ever! A Rubble double spiral slide.
Here he comes.
My Grand Tickie's quite the bouncer!
Catch it, Rocky!
Claw!
Hey, Ryder, what's up?
Tyranny X, you got a passenger on board.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I see it. Woohoo!
Rubble, we need a very soft landing pad for Chicoletta's egg.
I know just what to do.
Come down nice and easy, Daring Danny X.
Hi, Mayor Goodway! Whoa, no! We can't look!
A most excellent catch.
Yes! Oh, thank you, Rubble!
It's the Paw Patrol. Keep digging, little pup. We're gonna get out of here. You found us. Oh, Ryder.
Help is on the way. Rubble, we need you and your hoverboard to help rescue Travis.
Rubble on the double. Don't worry, penguins. I'll help you out. Follow me. Travis, are you okay? Grab onto my board and hang on.
Great work, pups.
Good as new.
Thanks, Rocky!
Sorry, Travis, but I had to use your map to patch the hole.
No worries. I'll just rely on my keen explorer instincts to find my way. Wherever I go, that's where I am. Thanks for everything, Paw Patrol.
Hurry, Rubble. I have an idea. A ramp. Rubble made a ramp. Woohoo!
Ryder, Wildcat, Moto Pups, thank you for saving the day.
Anytime your bus gets jumped by bikers, just yell for help.
Rubble, clear a path for Chicoletta.
You got it. No! I've got this. Gotcha!
Great job, Mighty Pups.
I don't know how much longer I can hold it.
We'll help Olivia.
Train!
Got it! Pull it up!
Stop! Stop! Whoa! Thanks, Robo-Duck.
It's okay, big guy. The Paw Patrol is on its way.
One stone bridge coming up. Whoa! That's some deep quicksand. Ruff! Will this work?
Great idea, Rocky. If stones won't work, let's try a wooden bridge.
Ruff! Winch!
Retract the winch, Chase.
Ruff! Winch! Retract!
Uh-oh, baby's big. We need to anchor the truck down.
Thanks, big guy.
Rubble, get that log underneath him.
I'll unhook him.
Watch your step, guys. Great job, everyone. You're welcome, Daddy Elephant. Just remember, whenever you hear a scary noise, just yell for help.
Yes, and hurry! If anything happens to my kitties, I don't know what I'll do.
One boulder on the move.
Oh, thank goodness!
I've got this.
I'll start looking for clues. This feels pretty solid, Rubble. Now just fill in the hole.
Another rainbow potato fan.
Sure.
You're starting to draw a crowd of folks wanting to see your very special veggie. So where is it already?
Well, to be honest with you, it's, right here.
Well. I hereby declare that Farmer Owl's rainbow potato is one of the vegetable wonders of the world.
Yay! Wow! Amazing!
Ready, Rubble?
Ready! I better pick these up before cars turn them into applesauce. Applesauce.
I think the turbines are on the other side of this wall. But how do we get through it? This part of the wall looks like a door.
I can use my shovel to pry it open.
Oh, is that really you, Ryder?
Yeah, hold on. We're almost there.
Yes, we are saved!
That should do it.
All right, everybody push.
Yes, we're in.
We're saved! So happy to see you!
That's the scary sound? Big Harry?
More like big noisy.
He fell in through the roof. Then he was smashing things all over.
Let's get you out before he wakes up. We don't want to startle him.
Thanks, Paw Patrol, for a picture-perfect rescue.
Nothing I can't undo.
Haley Daily, on the scene and on your screen, reporting live from the Adventure Bay train tracks. Uh-oh, that train is closer than we thought. Rocky, put those tracks together as fast as you can. Rubble, let's go warn the engineer.
On it! Stop the train! The tracks are broken!
no! I don't think I can stop in time.
I've got this. The tracks are fixed.
Let it go, Rubble!
Thanks, Mighty Pups.
You saw it here first, viewers. The Mighty Pups have saved the train.
This beached boat is too big to budge, buddy.
Hold on, Captain Turbot. I'll bump you back in the water.
That was a mighty nice nudge, Mighty Rubble.
Rubble, head to the crossroads and stop that super kitty.
On it! Put those cows down on the ground. Then I'll just put my mighty paws on the ground. Huh. Ryder, Pups, the baby elephant is still trapped.
Rubble, bring your rig to the maze.
Rubble on the double. Did someone call for a pickup? And fast, before the giant cave spider shows its hairy, scary spider face. Now grab onto my hoverboard, Captain.
Whoa! Super save, Rubble!
Okay, pups, now free Francois.
I'll just pull your leg from this web. Ugh.
Rocky needs more help. Rocky, fly to the other side of the web and pull down on it with your claw.
On it.
Whoa! Now I know how the world feels!
Now let's get you someplace safe.
Yoo-hoo! One turbot here, and a giant cave spider on its way! That's surely a substantial shadow! Whoa!
I can do this. Grab on, Captain!
Got it! Oh, look! It's the giant cave spider? Ha! Can you believe we were afraid of that adorable arachnid?
Rubble, grab the train with the side claw. Then we'll stop it using our brakes. I've never got a train before. Cool! Okay, brakes! Time for tiny bear transport. The Betty Bye Bear Wagon is ready to roll.
Great job, pups. That's one bear down and 2 to go.
Rubble on the Moto Double.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. We're here, Mayor Humdinger. Marshall, help him down. Rubble, let's move that rock.
Just stay calm, Mayor Humdinger, and we'll get you down safely. We're coming in hot!
Oh, I can't watch!
Detach! Rocky, special delivery! Gotcha! Yeah!
Whenever your kitties are missing, just yell for help.
Cool parachute.
Claw!
Yeah.
Hi, guys! Next up, the ultimate copter.
Woohoo! This is so extreme.
Oh no! My raft's moving!
subway's raft is slipping.
Marshall, Zuma, I need you to pull the mayor onto the platform.
I'm slipping!
Hurry!
Oh, got it!
Nice work, Pups.
Oh no, the tank! Rubble, we need you to build a barrier to stop that tank.
On it, Ryder.
Look out!
Phew. I'll teleport those pups to the North Pole.
Rubble, time for this big bot to go down.
Time to wreck and roll.
Sky, Rubble, I need your help.
Let's take to the pie. Rubble on the double.
Sky, lift Rubble up with your hook. Fly him over the pie clone and slowly lower him into it. Once you get inside, knock all the pies out with your shovel.
Shovel. Woohoo! Bam! Home run!
Good job, dude! Yeah!
Squid jerky pie!
Thanks for everything, Paw Patrol.
Rubble, I need you and your electromagnet to stop a runaway mare.
No problem.
Help me!
Ryder, Mayor Humdinger's headed straight for a cliff.
Help! I'm falling! Help!
Open your eyes, Mayor. I gotcha.
Huh? Oh, get me out of these things! Uh-oh. Ah! Oh.
Are you okay, Mayor Humdinger?
Phew. Yes. Thanks for saving me from those horrible auto pants.
Whenever your pants are out of control, just yelp for help. Rubble, rev your engine and start pulling. Yay! Yeah!
Looks like the desert flounder is ready for its maiden voyage.
Travis, Captain Turbot,
Hang on, we're gonna set sail.
next stop, Adventure Bay.
Whoa! That's double the rubble I was expecting.
Don't worry, baby bat. We'll free your family soon.
Everest, you know what to do.
Arf! Claw!
Time for this big drop to roll.
Thanks for saving the bats, Paw Patrol.
Whenever bats need a place to hang, just yelp for help.
Oh, Paw Patrol! Thank goodness! Please get me out of here!
Don't worry, Mayor. Rubble knows what to do.
Arf! Jackhammer!
Thanks, Rubble! But what about Barefoot Whiskers?
Chase and I will find her.
Did you see which way she went rolling?
She went that away!